We are nearly to the third base camp, and my hands is already frozen. It's getting cold and it's windy, and my backpack, I'm carrying too much. I think too much clothes, food and water. I'm carrying about 12 kilos. We are now leaving Tehran and we're going to Polor to go to climb the mountain in Damavand.
This is Domingo and this is Ashley, and we're on our way to Polor to get up in Damavand mountain, the tallest mountain in the Middle East.
Yeah, and by the way, we're taking the bus, and guess what? Like, it's about 2 hours drive, and it costs us only $1 each for 2 hours drive. And they gave us free, sorry, they gave us some free food as well. Can you just imagine? It's so cheap here in Iran, and it's a nice bus as well. See how the Iranian people were so generous. They gave us some money and some lollies.
Yes, and the bills are perfect.
It's perfect. They give us some souvenirs, and they're giving us some fruits.
Oh, thank you.
It's Mandarin. There's some. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right.
Oh, thank you. Oh. Thank you.
Merci.
See, they're giving us some food to Thank you.
Oh my God.
Thank you. They're giving us some food for us to eat.
They're really kind.
They're really kind.
Amazing. Yeah. Grapes, pears, mandarins, candy, and money. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much. We are now here in the base camp of Damavand. So we're trying to get a permit, which is cost us $50, and we hope it would be a good day tomorrow that we are able to climb the next day to the top. Yay! I got the permit to go up to Damavand, which is about 5,671 meters above sea level. We started 1,100 meters in Tehran, so it's a little bit high. I hope we're not going to have a high altitude sickness, so we just take it slowly. So we're going now, starting our journey.
And he's out of breath after 20 meters.
Just 20 meters, we're already out of breath. It's so windy and it's a little bit cold now. We're about 3,000 meters above sea level.
2,991.
2,991. Yeah.
Sure.
It's only past 12. The mountain is covered by clouds. Honestly, I don't have any plan, and I never heard about this mountain. I don't have any idea that I'm coming on this place because of this Danish guy. He invited me, so I said like, okay, we're going.
And he thought it would be so cool.
It was so cool for us to be on the highest mountain of the Middle East. That it would be a good weather tomorrow, so we're going to the third camp. Just taking our time slowly. We don't want to have a high altitude sickness. This is my food. As you could see, all this bread for 5 pieces, it cost me $1. $1 for the whole thing, and that's very heavy for my backpack. And I got some boiled egg, and I got nuts, raisins, etc. So I think that would fit me to go up. One thing more, I get a professional guide from Denmark. It would be a nice day tomorrow. So we're climbing about 4,200 meters above sea level to go to the third camp
Today.
today. Philippines. So here's another guy who brought some tourists up to the top by horse. Yeah, this local guy is telling us that it's nearly winter now, so it's a little bit much dangerous compared during summertime, which is, you could see all the snow now, it's melting. And
It's really high.
yeah,
3,520 meters.
so we're running out of breath. Some people who came here yesterday, they were in the tour. They have a guide. They had their horse, so they're not carrying any food at all. So for us, only two of us who came here unexpectedly, and we carry our own food. This guy is encouraging us to take the horse, but we have to hike.
3,605 meters
And
in 1 hour and 40 minutes.
1 hour 40 minutes, and we are exactly 10,000 steps.
Yes.
So we made it. There's no signs, so we're hoping that we go down and up to the side of the mountain. There's not, oh, there's a sign. You see the blue one? So we're able to see the sign. Actually, it's not a sign. Let's hope we're on the right way. We don't have any guide, but some people just throw out their rubbish. It's Danish. We have to take it out and bring it to the top. That's the third highest mountain here in Iran, which is 4,600 meters. I cannot see that. It's all covered by clouds.
We're at 3,902 meters.
3,902 meters. This guy was really very specific with time.
Yes.
So we climbed 18 minutes, 100 meters up. So every 20 meters, we made it for 4.5 minutes in 20 meters. We're still having around 300 meters.
No,
How many?
exactly 4,000 meters.
We're now exactly at 4,000 meters. So we still have about more than 200 meters to go to the third camp. My shoes is wet. So the best time really to come in here is during summertime, and most of the people who come here would take 4 nights, at least 3 nights and 4 days. You have to stay in the base camp for 2 nights to acclimatize, but we didn't. We're running out of time, so we just decide to do it for just 2 nights.
That was hard.
It was hard. 40 meters up and 7 minutes.
In 7 minutes.
We're running out of breath,
Yes.
of oxygen, and as you can see, we're palpitating. This crazy Danish guy is so punctual on time, very specific. So
By the minute.
For 100 meters, can you say again?
It was exactly 20 minutes for 100 meters. That's 3 times, that's 300 meters per hour, which is, 300 meters per hour. In 4 hours, that's 1,200 meters, and that's exactly what it's supposed to be.
All the rest, the one in the group, they have walking stick, and for us, we didn't bring any walking stick at all. we're not expecting that this snow was so thick, so probably about 5,000 would be ice, not a snow. I hope we could make it.
We are at 4,152 meters and we are 6 minutes early. That I picked up on the way.
This Danish guy carried about half bag of rubbish. We took it out of the way. Some people just throwing out their rubbish. We are here now in the third camp. I'm praying to God that it would be a good weather tomorrow, that I could make it to the peak, the highest mountain flat here in Iran. These guys just arrived yesterday and they're doing just acclimatation here. So they're staying for 2 nights here. Yes. Yeah, they're staying here for 2 nights. We hope we could make it because we're just making it for 1 night. So we hope we could make it tomorrow.
For 4,700 and was difficult.
Difficult.
Because of snow
and yeah.
But life is difficult.
Yeah. Where are you from? Where are you from?
From Poland.
Oh, they're Poland, yeah.
Poland.
Polish, everywhere. Actually, I met Polish when I was in Kyrgyzstan. This is what they experience here in Persia. They're able to get 70 liters of free petrol in their car.
Exactly.
Can you just imagine how the Persian people were so nice, and actually they're the most friendliest people we've ever met.
Exactly. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. We also met some.
So they've been traveling for around how many countries now? And they said the Iranian people were so nice and generous.